Hey guys, so it's actually Hola. It's Hola. So welcome to my day 4 and day 5 vacation video. Hi guys, if you're coming to my channel for the first time, welcome here. My name is Referral. I'm a digital marketing professional. I'm a foreign student in Aberdeen, Scotland, the United Kingdom. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you the stuff I did on my day 4 and day 5 vacation in Barcelona, Spain. You want to stick around, right? Sorry, I'm being very casual because I'm currently seated in my hotel room waiting for time for my flight to come really close so I can head off to the airport. So what happened on day 4? Um when I was booking my hotel reservation from Aberdeen, and I actually wanted to have like a 3 days vacation in Barcelona. That was the initial plan. So I paid for like a 3 days 3 nights, right, for vacation in the hotel I booked via booking.com. So coming down here, before I came, for the day I was leaving, or before I came, I decided that okay, coming all the way from UK to Barcelona and spending just 2 nights, and the third day we're running off, or spending just 3 nights, that would be so good because it just feels like I would have wasted so much money and not enjoy the goodness that Spain and Barcelona has to offer. So what I did was just to extend my day, like 4 days vacation in Barcelona, and on the fifth day, pack my things and go back to where I'm coming from. So the hotel where I lodged, where I booked with from Aberdeen, were all booked out. Like there was no vacancy again. Even the room where I stayed, it was already packed out. No vacancy anywhere. It was a 3-star hotel, and I couldn't even get a spare room to book. So what I did was I decided that I was going to get another place in a 5-star hotel just to give myself that treat for hard work and the stress I've been through the past 1 year and many other years in my life. And so that was like saying well done to myself. So I took like went online, searched for another hotel, and got this beautiful hotel. It's so beautiful. It's a 5-star hotel. It comes with lots of complimentaries in the room, and then there's a pool, like a mini pool, where you could just sit down and feel really relaxed. And then it has this beautiful lodge, and then it has buffet. So the day I was coming here, the day I came here, my day 4, I left the hotel room from my 3-star hotel. I left quite early so I could meet the breakfast here. Because breakfast in this hotel starts, it's Leonardo Hotel, so it starts as early as 8 a.m. So I got here a few minutes before 9. Yesterday, that's on my day 4. I got here a few minutes before 9, lodged in and paid for breakfast because breakfast today you're lodging in doesn't come with the hotel room. So I paid for breakfast for that day because I didn't eat breakfast. It was beautiful. It's a beautiful experience. They had buffet, they had lots of good things to eat. And then when I paid for that night, the next morning, that's day 5, which is today that I'm shooting this video, day I'm supposed to check out, comes with breakfast. So yeah, so I just did all the payments and I included my breakfast for day 5 because I didn't eat breakfast when I go to the airport. So day 4, what I did was to change my hotel, get like a new hotel, come over here and give myself a treat, summer treat. And afterwards, after the breakfast I had in the hotel, freshened up and went out. And so it was like I had like a street tour with my buddy. I had street tour. There was us going everywhere to visit different places. Well, I'm just looking at the book. This is where I wrote them down. And then I bought some stuff in Primark and just returned them. So the first thing I did during the tour was to go to Primark store to return the item, to change the item I bought. And because I can't take the item to Aberdeen, it will be so hard for them to reconcile. So I changed the item, and then I went to all the stores around Primark. We had Zara, we had CA, and a couple of stores that I'm sure is not available in Aberdeen. Like I entered the CA store. The CA store, I don't think I've seen it in Aberdeen. It probably is in UK. I haven't checked them out online. I bought like a very lovely warm knit wear, which is beautiful, and it's very good for Aberdeen weather, not for Spain weather just now, because Spain is really hot and everybody's walking with shorts and anything they're comfortable with that would help them reduce the heat. Yeah, so I also noticed that the product in the Zara shop in Spain, the products, the clothing line is different from what we have in Aberdeen. Like, I don't know if it's all of the UK, but where I'm coming from in Aberdeen, I remember vividly the store in my head as I entered the Zara store in Spain. I could see lots of really beautiful things, really beautiful fancy things that you could wear every day. So they probably design product line depends on the region where they find themselves. Like Spain is really hot. It's as hot as Nigeria, if not hotter. Like it's super hot, but it's beautifully hot. So I did just tour thinking, and then I came back to the hotel, refreshing up, went for swimming. I can't swim, but I just sat in the pool, enjoyed the water, enjoyed the cool water, enjoyed myself with a bottle of wine which the hotel gave, and then it was time for me to go eat something. Then I went out to look for like a Chinese wok. It's spelled WOK. So Chinese wok is where you have um, some sort of medium to high price Chinese food. It has everything you want. You can think of all the seafood, all the animals in the world I'd not seen before. They had everything. It's not so cheap, a Chinese buffet, but it was just averagely cheap. But they had a lot to offer. They had lots of food. I was tired of eating. I ate so much. Like I ate so much. Lots of seafood I'd never seen in my life before. It was like eating in Iyabasiri. Like the place presented itself as like Iyabasiri in somewhere in Lagos, where you could just walk in, ask for food, not so cheap, but really quality food, and yeah, everybody could access the place easily. You don't need to book into. It's just like a walking restaurant. Just carry your euro, walk in, choose what you want to eat as much as you like. You pay per head because it's a buffet where you're finished, take your dessert, and then you can leave. Yeah, so it was really fantastic. I'd never had that kind of experience before. So when I had it yesterday, it was beautiful. I enjoyed every bit of it, like every bit of it. So what else? Came back to the hotel, freshened up, and time to watch movies and sleep. And then to enjoy the luxury the hotel had to offer. So I slept, woke up this morning, breakfast time, food very important. So I had breakfast. So for today, day 5, I'll be heading to the airport. So what I'll be doing first, firstly after breakfast, I had breakfast already. It's then I worked on my project. Currently doing dissertation and doing stuffs. Worked on my schoolwork, yes, and shoot videos, and I'll be going out to buy some things like some souvenirs for myself that will help me remember the time I came to Barcelona in 2022 summer period. I felt like some very cheap, affordable stickers when I was working yesterday. You could just stick them on your fridge. Some emblems that carry some really fantastic buildings I saw during my tour, like this long castle-like buildings. I saw them yesterday, so I'm gonna go get one or two. Depends on the price. I could just stick them on my fridge and always reminds me or remember the time I came to finish all my money. So that is what happened to me on my day 4 vacation and day 5 vacation. And tell me, have you been to Spain, Barcelona? If you have, how was it? How was your experience? I had a fantastic time here. I did not waste any time. I spent every time looking for something, doing something, sightseeing somewhere, going somewhere, just up and down because it doesn't happen every time. So the fact that I'm here to explore, enjoy every bit of it, which I did. And if you're not been to Spain, did you plan to come to Spain in summer? Because the summer over here is beautiful. You want to try it. You're gonna feel like you're coming from the United Kingdom, from England. You just experience like a different kind of weather. and you'll be so happy, like relaxed. But then you get tanned, you get dark because the sun is kind of striking like the sun we have in Nigeria. I think so in Nigeria it's kind of harder and harsher. Really well like that, really harsh than the sun here, even though it's almost like 30 degrees, 31 degrees down here. The 1 degrees hot, 5 degrees hot down here. I'm dressed like this just now because I'm still within Barcelona. When I get to the airport, I'm going to change into my track, something really warm for me to get into England with, because over there, though they say it's summer, I still feel very cold because it's chilly summer for me. Like it's still cold. I don't know. I still feel very cold, so I still dress prepared, warm clothes, because I cannot afford to be sick. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a comment below, and thank you for staying to the end. I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any comments, any thoughts to share about spending time vacation period with family and friends in Barcelona, can you leave your comments below and tell me what's your experience? I didn't have any bad time. I didn't have any body steal from my pocket. Maybe because I'm dark skinned. A lot of places I went to was just me and my friend. There was really no dark skinned people around. Like there were not so many of us. There was no pickpocket situation. There was no the hotel recipients. The receptionists were really nice and helpful, and I used a lot of my Google Map to navigate the area, book online, book taxes online, do stuffs online, and it was really helpful. So, if it's somewhere you want to come to, it's somewhere you plan to come to. If you're planning on it, please put your plans and make sure you come here. It's a fantastic place. And if you're not planning to come to Spain, what are you waiting for? All right, see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for staying till the end. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content that will keep you inspired and motivated. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.